Our FleetguardMAP program has been designed to help lower the total cost of ownership of your engines. Monitoring the health of the coolant at regular intervals is intended to identify minor coolant and cooling system problems before they become major concerns or failures. It also provides an opportunity to plan your cooling system maintenance at a time when it suits you. This means you can take engines out of the field when it suits your maintenance event rather than have to deal with unexpected breakdowns, which are not only costly to repair but also mean lost productivity. If your cooling system isn't maintained to ensure adequate levels of glycol, additives and pH, the coolant's going to have a tough time in protecting the engine. When you send your sample in, we analyse the coolant for additives, key indicators and contamination. Problems like corrosion or abnormal additive depletion are generally impossible to see with the naked eye or by using simple test strips, but our FleetguardMAP analysis will reveal if there's an underlying problem. We issue a detailed report with recommendations for servicing your coolant and flag issues that need attention like abnormal wear metal levels, contamination and additive depletion. The reports are easy to follow as we ensure you and your team are fully trained in how to read and evaluate the report. This puts you in control of your maintenance program and ensures all your monitored engines are protected. Building a reporting history of an engine assists in providing a full picture of that engine. Small inconsistencies over time reveal potential problems that can't be seen from a single analysis. We know it's more effective to plan for maintenance schedules rather than pay heavily for unplanned downtime. When you use FleetguardMAP, you can plan and reduce maintenance costs, extend fluid drain intervals, have quick and reliable access to analysis, lower the total cost of ownership of the equipment, and even potentially increase equipment resale value. FleetguardMAP will manage the analysis and provide timely data to your customer.
Switching to the FleetguardMAP program is easy. Enrol your equipment into FleetguardMAP, order a sampling kit, take samples and send them straight to the FleetguardMAP lab. These will be processed and analysed on site, with all reports uploaded to a live portal for our customers to view test results. At Cummins Filtration, we know our coolant. We manufacture as well as test our brand and others. We have the knowledge and know-how to increase efficiencies with all of your engines.